Hi, I'm Dan Miklovic, Lead Manufacturing Analyst at Third Eye Advisory, covering topics such as ERP, manufacturing execution systems, product lifecycle management and design, enterprise asset management, quality, supply chain, environmental health and safety, and all other things related to manufacturing and asset-intensive industries. I'm a certified Lean Sensei and a certified manufacturing engineer. For the last 50 years, manufacturing and allied industries have focused on initiatives like lean performance improvement and leveraging technology to drive process improvement. Therefore, the key aspect of this approach has been using predictive analytics to drive end-to-end digital threads in traditional value chains. Going forward, we need to throw out those models and instead focus on building highly adaptive manufacturing capabilities. In the current global economy, with ever-increasing unpredictability in our supply chains, manufacturers and resource-based asset-intensive industries need to invest in new technology. In manufacturing, 2025 is shaping up to be the year of generative AI, revolutionizing how enterprises will drive innovation, agility, and efficiency. Multiple industry surveys show that 2/3 of manufacturers either have, are already, or are planning to train employees on how to best use AI, including generative AI. Manufacturing top use cases today are mostly related to quality, maintenance and reliability, supply chain management, and product and process design. The next area for AI deployment will be increasing organizational adaptability. In fact, almost every major software provider in the manufacturing sector has multiple examples of manufacturers already using generative AI to improve product and process design. For manufacturers looking to leverage AI to leapfrog the competition, TCS has leveraged the NVIDIA AI toolset to provide powerful new operational models that deliver fast time to value. TCS has deep AI skills both in traditional machine learning area as well as the emerging generative AI world. As one of the largest service providers serving the manufacturing sector, TCS has invested significant resources in building a comprehensive AI workshop that can deliver truly differentiating solutions that can both improve operational performance and provide better customer experience, all the while increasing your organization's agility.